Welcome to Excelendar. Excelendar brings your Outlook calendar into Excel and back again. Import your calendar by date range. Choose exactly what you need: a week, a month, or your entire calendar. Now your events are data you can work with in Excel. Make your changes in worksheets. Edit titles, adjust times, add custom data, whatever you need. Sync back to Outlook with one click. And it's bi-directional. Your changes flow seamlessly between Excel and Outlook. Your calendar stays updated while you work in the spreadsheet. Excelendar works in several languages. Switch the interface and column headers to match your preferences. Use Excelendar as an Excel add-in or as a standalone web app with no Excel license required. Import, edit, delete events in bulk. Perfect for anyone managing complex schedules. Privacy first and Azure hosted. Your calendar data is never stored, only synced. Start your free trial today at excelendar.com.